देसी गोवन उठ तुझ्या युट्यूब चॅनलला युट्यूबा व्हिडिओ घाल तुवें युट्यूबा व्हिडिओ घालू ना उठ देसी गोवन उठ
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. After a long time I'm vlogging and it's been like 150 days. Last vlog was amazing and I got a good response. So today I'm with two boys, like you know Bunny, hi Mandra. This is Bunny and that is Rishabh. Hi Mandra. Hi. Okay. So today's video is all about vlog our love guru. So we'll ask some questions to Bunny and we'll talk to him and this will be a fun vlog. So let's enjoy.
चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
So Bunny start करें हमारे. Okay. So Bunny first question हमारे कितना खबर है? Like one side relationship तू किती म्हणता? Is it okay? बरे असता की they should move on.
Basically one-sided is not a relationship.
तो रुको जरा सबर करो.
Yes.
It's just like infatuation. It means like you are connected to the person but that person gives no importance to you.
Or.
So basically it's not a relationship.
So you should move on.
Yeah, obviously.
But some.
It's like you are watering a dead plant.
Or.
And it's also like you are waiting for a ship on airport.
Nice example. You have better.
हमें छापरे हमें छापरे हमें छापरे
बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो, मत करो, रहने दो, बहुत बुरे लग रहे हो. तोबा थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
ओके सो लाईक अशें आसता मरे कितें सांगू तुका एक पळय आतां एक चेडूं आसा पळय तुका मोग करता पूण तूं आहा पळय आनी कोणाक मोग करता सो तेजेर कितें सांगपाक शकता तूं.
Basically I will go with my point of view, no?
Yeah.
So if I कोणाचेर मुख करता, so I will definitely go and approach.
Yes.
So basically if a girl likes me, she will come and tell me.
Yes.
But if I don't have anything for her, then why will I go to her?
सारकें मरे पॉयंट समज रो
Take her, I think.
नाका टॅग करूं नाका कोणा टॅग करूं नाका सगळें टॅग करूं नाका ओके
Is ready.
येस फर्स्ट रिलेशनशीप आसता पळय सगळ्यांक सांगता इट डजंट स्टे फॉर अ लॉंग टायम. इज इट ट्रू?
No, it depends on the person.
इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द पर्सन.
Yes. It's not like first relationship doesn't last long. Mine was 4 years. Mine was 3.5 years.
3.5 years.
It's not less, no. It's quite
Okay.
a long time.
Long time.
Yeah.
3 years means 900 some days. 900 days.
Yeah.
900 days. How do you? Why?
How do you?
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा.
Why?
असे इमोशन्स. सो बनी म्हाका मरे म्हाजेर उलोवपा ना आसूं सोड.
असू रे उलय रे.
उलो रे. सो म्हाका मरे
रिसेंटली कितें जालां ताचेर कितें उलोवंक जाय?
ना बनी
ये सीन काट देना प्लीज.
ते
कवर करता मैं आपणाचे रे की कवर करता.
बीइंग इन रिलेशनशीप ते चेडवां आहा पळय बेगीन ट्रस्ट करना चेड्याचेर. सो लायक अशें लायक इफ आय गो एन प्रपोज अ गर्ल ते सांगतले की
She needs time.
no she don't need time. She don't trust anyone because of her last relationship and ते सांगतले की being in that relationship was a mistake. So ते किती
ते किती ते म्हणजे.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
You want to ask like if she's going to
Accept you or
accept
something.
you or something?
No I'm telling that तेजी पहिली रिलेशनशीप आशिल्लें पळय
Okay, not judging anyone on previous relations.
Yeah.
So see, that should not happen because maybe the next guy you get is like giving you all his love and positive vibes. So
Yes.
just because of your last relationship, you cannot
Judge anyone.
judge anyone. Yeah. So basically, you have to trust everyone. You should give it a try.
So like, what is the
See, basically, what happens when you give someone a chance,
Yeah.
you should make sure that you come to know, you understand the person within a week. So that if you get attached to that person, then leaving that person will be a difficult part. So basically, you have to try and understand that person within a week.
Okay, so within a week you have 6 days. 6 दिन है तुम्हारे
7
पास,
days.
7 दिन है तुम्हारे पास, जो करना है कर.
क्या मरेगा?
Cardina, please.
एक दिन क्या, एक दिन में 4 बार मार लेंगे.
चुप रहे.
Okay, so the next question is being in a toxic relationship.
Being what?
Being in a
Being in
being in a toxic.
in
In the beginning, in the beginning.
Being in a toxic relationship, is it fine or you need to get out of it?
You should leave.
You should leave.
Yes.
मागीर ते सांगतले
Because
ते-
no,
ते म्हाका सोडले.
No,
ते-
if both person are toxic, then it will affect your life. Then you
Both
will get
career-
all negative vibes. You get irritated by smallest things.
You will be frustrated.
I have a guy same.
No, and
बारीक.
और तू क्या करेगा? तेरा गुस्सा ना किसी और पे निकालेगा.
अरे that is bad. That's bad. So ते झाले. What is the perfect age to be in relationship?
Above 18, please.
Above 18, please.
नीचे से उसके नीचे ना वो बेबी शोना. It's not baby शोना.
बाबू टोना.
It's just ना. क्या देना please.
Uh,
Okay, basically a perfect age to be in relationship above 18. क्योंकि उसके नीचे जो होता है ना उसको प्यार नहीं बोलते.
वो लोग सिर्फ टोनी कक्कर के गाने सुन के खुश रहने का. मेरा सोना तू कोका कोला पीऊं मैं. I asked some questions to Bunny, then we uploaded a story. Story देंगा. We uploaded a story on Instagram. Basically, if you have seen this story, you'll come to know. So many of them have asked me some questions. So, वो कसा करता? First question is.
वो कसं करता बोलते.
होय.
It's natural. It automatically like you feel.
Hey! Okay, so the next question is leave our relationship. I am not in your relationship. Leave our relationship. When are you getting one? Waiting for Bhabhi. Bhabhi will not come soon because she is busy with someone else.
बोलने दे तकलीफ हुआ है बेचारे को बोल.
She is busy with someone else, wasting her time, and I'm here making my time.
No, you are wasting our time.
So the next question is asked by I am Simona. How to know if the other person likes you?
That person will try to spend most of his time with you, then try to get your attention, DM you all the time, I guess.
Yeah. Right answer.
ओ मुर्गट्टा वो ऐसे तरी असं भाई.
Right answer.
भाई वो भाई वो तो कॉल इल्ला तो.
जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे.
ना ते बेस्ट है. Bro, please follow back. करिया. Ask him when he got his first crush.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I got my
It's
first.
asked by Ria. It's Ria.
I got my first crush in 8th standard.
8th standard.
हाँ. And अभी तो like हर मिनट मिलता है कोई ना कोई जाता रहता है आंखों के सामने से.
उसको क्रश नहीं बोलते.
उसको क्रश ही बोलते हैं. मेरा हर मिनट में क्रश चेंज होता है. आई एम यूनिक ब्रो इन माई ओन वे.
सिंपल हो तो
सिंगल
हो तो लाइफ सिंपल है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. यू नीड अ लाइफ पार्टनर.
No. It is like most of the time it is like, अरे being single is like तू बिंदास किसी के साथ भी फ्लर्ट कर. You don't have any क्या बोलते हैं
हाँ, वो तो मेरे साथ होता है. मैं अभी फ्लर्ट करते रहता हूँ. बाद में वो लड़की मेरे को बोलती है कि तू इसके साथ उसके साथ घूमता है. सो बाद में सो आई एम अ गुड बॉय. आई एम अ गुड बॉय. Should okay, the next question, should the boy make the first move or the girl?
If you wait for the other person to make the move, then you are screwed up, bro. Then someone else will make a move and then your girl or boy is gone.
ऐसे हालात में बेहतर यही है कि वक्त रहते इंसान सतर्क होकर अपने जज्बात को काबू में रखकर अपने कदम पीछे हटा ले.
Okay, how to find a partner? गांधी मार्केट में जाओ, पार्टनर मिल जाएगा.
नहीं, इधर मॉप्सा मार्केट है. See, basically it's not something you have to find. वो automatically कभी-कभी ऐसा, हाँ, it's like lane देन. ऐसे सामने से क्रॉस हो जाएगा, then you won't even come to know that this will be your life partner someday.
Okay. So how to handle fights between relationship? Don't be calm.
Yeah, rather than creating more complications, it's better you keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
हाँ.
Give space.
Give space, हाँ, main important.
Give space.
Or else
Don't call, don't stay away. Social distancing,
no.
mental distance. Maintain social distancing.
कितने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास, कितने शानदार विचार रखते हैं जी, और कुछ लोग मनोरंजन भी करवाते हैं.
I can't stop get over my past. Now tell me what to do. Find a new one.
try and concentrate on other things rather than
See, other than relationship, many things are there in your life. So
Yes.
focus on that. So yeah, focus on other things, and one day you'll get a perfect life partner for you, or it's for all of you guys. So the next question is how to
unfollow.
What are your thoughts on long distance relationship?
What?
What are your thoughts on long distance relationship?
Long distance relationships are sometimes better, but sometimes you don't know what the person is doing.
Yes.
Sometimes they both try to lose trust in each other.
Yes, most of the time.
Most of the time. So find a boyfriend or a girlfriend nearby. पेट्रोल वाचतलो एक म्हणल्यार आणि टाइम वाचतलो आणि यू कॅन स्पेंड मोर टाइम.
मस्त प्लान आहे.
हांव म्हजे बॉय बेस्टी वांगडा पीक काडलो म्हणून सोडले मरे म्हाका. एक इयर का रिश्ता खत्म क्या करूं, हाइड माय नेम. ओके.
See, that means he had trust issues with your best friend.
So most of the time when you spend opposite gender you time spend करता, gender spend time करता, त्यांना they get jealous first of all. So don't do it. And सारखे मारे.
Don't do it, but
don't cross your limits.
Limit.
Don't cross your limits. Okay. सारखे मारे.
Ginger.
Next question is Vishal is asking, a guy loves a girl who has boyfriend already. What he should do now?
Bro, it's like if you are waiting for her to break up, then it's very bad. It's like very negative. See, what will happen if she broke up with a boyfriend? Then you will directly go and approach her, where she will say no because she just came out of that relation. So it's rather you try to move on than waiting for her. सही है ना?
Okay.
सही बोला ना? 50 रुपए लागू?
सारखे ले लो.
क्या हमारा मानसी.
So guys, we're back and we have Shashank with us. Shashank is OP guy and Bunny, as usual, we took a small break and we were waiting for the questions, and as usual I'm looking good enough. How to start relationship?
पहले प्रपोज तो मार बोरो पहले प्रपोज मार.
What are your thoughts? How to start relationship? गाडी में चावी में लावा पडटा
ना काय करणार का रिलेशनशिप पण पडणार का भावा, सांगता तुका. बरे नु पडणार का.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
person asks you to be physically, is it really true love or is it fake? It is infatuation. He just wants you. Bro, why are you still single? Bro, basically, Mufiz is not single. He gets so many purposes.
Yes, but
many.
Purpose. He gets many purposes,
with pampers.
but he doesn't accept any purpose.
because I don't get a perfect one for me, for myself, and that day will come soon, huh?
Soon.
Soon.
कोई सेंस है इस बात की?
मैं जिसे प्यार करती हूँ उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड है, कैसे पाऊँ उस लड़के को? आई लव हिम सो मच, जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर हिम. बेसिकली इफ यू वेट फॉर दैट पर्सन देन इसमें तेरा घाटा, उसका कुछ नहीं जाता. ज़्यादा प्यार हो जाता तो तुझसे.
सह नहीं पाता पर उधर.
सो बेसिकली इट्स पॉइंटलेस वेटिंग फॉर दैट गाय, क्योंकि
Never wait anyone in your life because that guy is.
भाई तू ही बोल दे मेरे को इधर क्या
Even they want my point, no. So basically, that guy is enjoying in his life, and you are just waiting for him.
So what do you
Sarge.
do if your partner lives far away? How do you not get insecure about trusting him? अभी बोल.
Trusting.
तेरा इंग्लिश तो बहुत है अच्छा.
आता माका
Oxford
खबर.
dropout.
See.
Oxford dropout. धक्के मार के ड्रॉप आउट.
So basically, I will answer this question. Hotspot. When you on hotspot, it stays in your and it goes out, and that is not yours.
क्या बढ़िया था गुरु.
ओ भाई.
Hotspot.
आया टेस्ला.
क्या था ये? Hotspot देने लग गया सचिन स्कोर पर.
Elon Musk, your manager is here. मला रिलेशनशिपचा कंटाळा आलाय. हाऊ कॅन आय ब्रेकअप विथ अ गुड रिझन?
नहीं मेरे को मत देखो. मेरे को मत देखो.
एक आदमी देगा तेरे को रीजन. एक ही आदमी देगा. ये है हमारा.
There's one boss here. There's one boss here.
Because
आई एम द बॉस.
yes.
So शशांक आंसर ओपी सांगतो.
आंसर.
नहीं ये पब्लिक नहीं बोलूंगा मैं.
ते कौन रहते तक ब्लॉक करिए कौन ढा.
No, if you are really not feeling for that girl, it's
Yeah.
it's worthless, wasting your time and her time. So
Yes,
I feel it's like better you should move on in life.
But she asked for
गुड रीजन.
good reason how to end up, and you are telling
Directly बोल दे. हाँ.
Yeah, just just be direct. Just tell it. Whatever you feel, just tell it to her.
Tell it to her.
Yeah.
Because it's like if you feel for someone else and then you are in a relationship, it's like you don't want to spoil the other person's life also, no?
Yes. So better you tell him.
Important तेरे लिए है. जो अभी कर रहा है ना ये,
हाँ.
बंद कर.
बंद कर please.
Okay.
Would you compromise your happiness for the success of relationship? No. Basically, I shouldn't do that. No one should do that.
No one should do that. But I will do that because I'm unique.
तेरे पास रिलेशनशिप ही नहीं है.
ओके, ये क्वेश्चन है प्रिंस का. रिलेशन एंड बाबू सोना मेरे बाबू ने ताना थाया, ये बोलना जरूरी है? नो.
never.
डिपेंड्स फ्रॉम वेर यू आर. गोयान जरा तसं काय ना. गोयान
यू आर यूपी बिहार
गोयान इट्स लाईक हम बेबी
कर्नाटका.
जोलो म्हणजे सानू जो नो प्लीज
प्लीज मोको जो.
जो ना लाऊ जोतो ना.
बेबी तू मग मो बेबी.
आता चिकन पास कर, चिकन पास कर, चिकन पास कर.
सोडपा कुछ ना बेबी. क्या सोडपा ना.
See, in Goa,
करता.
basically in Goa, it's like हाथ में चिकन है. बेबी तू जो ना लाऊ जोतो ना.
ये सही है.
बेबी प्लीज जो गोइले ना आप उपाशी राहतलो. ये तो फ्राइड राइस बिगिन दे. ऐसा कोई नहीं करता गोवा में. हाउ टू मेक बॉयफ्रेंड?
See, boyfriend ingredients आहे त्या गावात.
नमक स्वाद अनुसार.
जब फ्लोअर म्हटलं बे त्याने.
Ingredients
बरं
आहे.
की नाही म्हटलं?
You need some loyalty. You need some attractivity, and you need
Gravity.
Attractivity.
You need all
आणि
types
किती?
of. You need all types of VT.
पॉझिटिव्हिटी.
How many relationships have you been in?
It's like
10,000?
no for
3.5.
Okay, -1.
It's personal. I'll not say it here because.
मैं बोलूँ?
Bol.
0.
How to get in relationship?
How to get in relationship? See, getting into relationship is not so easy and it's not so tough also. So basically in relationship a boy connects to a girl and best basically I have a question. So this is a question people will relate to it. If you have a friend opposite gender, चेडो असो चेडू असो, कळलो का? शी इज अ बेस्ट फ्रेंड. गेटिंग इन टू रिलेशन, हैविंग फीलिंग्स फॉर हर इज नॉर्मल.
मतलब
बेस्ट फ्रेंड
को फीलिंग्स
most
हाँ,
like most relationships are like that only.
yeah, they start like that only, most of the relationship.
but in my case it was like no, we will best friend
Someone
only.
else's best friend.
Yes. राज खुल रहा है भाई के.
नहीं, ये राज तेरे को बाद में बोलते हैं हम लोग बाद में बोलते हैं. डिस्क्राइब पहला प्यार.
पहला प्यार. अरे कौन भौंक रहा है ये बदतमीज.
Okay, next question is describe your crush.
Crush, every time I have a crush on someone, she just crushes me with saying no.
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
Really, this is true. She just crushed me.
If he wants to hide our relation, तो I have to trust on him. अगर वो रिलेशनशिप छुपाता है, मे बी इज इनसिक्योर अबाउट रिलेशनशिप, थोड़ा को होता है ना, वो नजर लग जाएगी एंड ऑल दैट क्रैप.
एंड एक होता है रिलेशनशिप जिसपे लड़की के पोस्ट के ऊपर अपने को टैग करता है और उसको टैग कर सारख्या मरे टॅग करा त्यांना. तू हांगा तुझे गर्लफ्रेंडा टॅग करता, थंय तुझे गर्लफ्रेंड तुका हांगा टॅग करता.
टिप्स फॉर लॉंग डिस्टन्स रिलेशनशिप.
तू कितें सांगता असं सांग.
हांव वयता घरा.
अरे तू जा रे.
Guys, that's it for today. Hope you like the video and make sure you like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel and do comment which was the favorite part of the video. Okay, bye. I have Shashank, Bunny and Rishabh with me. So that's it and yeah. I'm done.
देसी गोवन को करो लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब. क्या देसी गोवन को करो लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब.